All right, let's go over the ingredients that we're going to use today. We're going to be using some shrimp, and we're going to be taking the shells off these, and we're just going to throw the shells away. We're not going to be using that to make any sort of a stock. We're going to be salt and peppering our shrimp, and then we're going to be taking this onion, and we're going to quarter it, or cut it a little bit smaller than that, and we're going to cut one of these tomatoes. We're going to pulse the two of these together, and they're going to bring it back to the saute pan, and we're going to cook it until all of the juice has been evaporated. And then we're going to add our second tomato. We're going to dice that, and we're going to add a little bit of butter and some sherry. We're going to bring all those flavors together. Then we're going to take our shrimp and put that in. We're also going to be adding some black olives, but if you would prefer green olives, then that is fine as well. We're going to be making a vegetable stock. We're going to do that for our rice instead of just using water, because that'll give it a better flavor. We're going to be cooking 2 cups of that with 1 cup of rice, and we're going to be toasting this rice. And we're going to be toasting the rice with a fair amount of garlic. So we're going to need some oil. Our seasonings are going to be salt and pepper, and we're going to finish our rice with some scallions.